Hello and welcome back to Peter's Autovlog. Here we are at the 2024 Los Angeles International Auto Show and in front of the updated 2025 Golf GTI. This one here that we have with us, it is a European spec one, but it's a beautiful one. And this one here, I believe, is in King's Red, if I'm correct, very similar. Basically the same color as the Jetta next to us. I believe this is King Red, don't quote me on that, but that's a beautiful color. Of course, revised for 2025 are the front headlights, rear taillights, and of course the interior get a new 13-inch screen. And the biggest news for 2025 is that Volkswagen is no longer offering a manual transmission with this Volkswagen Golf GTI. So unfortunately, you have to stick with the DSG transmission. So take a look, guys, real quick here. Look at this beautiful front here with the lighted Volkswagen logo. Sorry about my shadow there. Beautiful color. It's a very sharp looking car. Brand new 19-inch wheels for 2025. You can see the beautiful wheel. Kind of reminds me of the Alfa Romeo wheels. Of course, body color mirrors. This one here is kind of stacked up, of course, with here your bike and your bike right here on top of the roof. There's got a sunroof as well. Sharp looking car. There we got the new little peak there at the new screen. Beautiful car. Love the way this one looks. Very sharp looking car. I've always been a big fan of the GTIs and the R. They had a Golf R yesterday here. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film it. There's too many cars. Didn't get to back. But take a look at this car, guys. Just fantastic the way it is. Now, no pricing has been announced as of yet for this 2025 models. But let's go ahead and take a quick peek at the interior and open up the door. Really nice. All black leather. Nice kind of aluminum trim here on the door. A little bit of ambient lighting as well, but you can see, guys, really cool interior. Love the plate seats on this GTIs. I just think it looks fantastic. Beautiful interior. As you can see, guys, we got the new 12.9, basically a 13-inch screen there as well. As you can see, they're really nice the way this is. We got the beautiful leather covered steering wheel, perforated leather. Let's take a quick peek inside and drop in. And here we have a quick glance. Of course, we got your LCD digital instrumentation. We got the new 13-inch screen. As you can see there, we do have some controls for your AC vents here at the bottom, as you can see there. So it looks pretty cool the way everything works. As you can see, guys, pretty quick to the touch there. Running the latest IQ system for Volkswagen. USB ports here. We got controls here for basically your driving modes, hazards. We got your AC vents running here along the aluminum trim. Really nice the way all this is. Really nice. Hope I get my hands on one of these soon and give you guys a better overall review. Just a quick one here. As you can see, guys, we got your DSG controls, start stop right there, parking brake, cup holders right here, as you can see there. So this is all done in gloss black. Not my favorite because this is basically gonna get really dirty. Love the steering wheel as well. It's fantastic the way all this is. A GTI, really beautiful interior. I really love driving this. Volkswagens are fun, awesome cars. And unfortunately, they don't offer no more manual, but what can you do? Coming up here, guys, we got the panoramic sunroof. I'm gonna kind of put the camera kind of around, check out the rear. Now, hopefully there's a little bit of light there for you as well, but really cool the way this is. Love this Volkswagens. Of course, here we got a black headliner as well. We got controls here for your sunroof and all that stuff right here. You guys can see the lights, SOS. And but there we go, guys. Quick look at this one here. As you can see, guys, we got some of that aluminum trim. We got controls here for your basically the lights, if I'm correct. Manually tilting steering wheel. Paddles, of course, in the back for your DSG there. Awesome car. Let's go ahead and, guys, get out. As you can see, guys, really beautiful car. 241 horsepower engine. Still keeping up the same drivetrain. Of course, no more 5-speed manual. No pricing has been announced, as I just mentioned, guys, before. But let me know what you guys think of this 2025 Volkswagen GTI. Beautiful car. You can see, guys, we'll take a look at some of the information here. This kind of combination of both, but just a quick glance for all the information that Volkswagen is providing right now. No pricing, but God, this thing looks so sharp with those wheels. Kind of an alpha-ish look to this car with those design of the wheels. But there we go, guys. Take a look at that sharp front. Let me know what you guys think of this 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI. I love these things. Can't wait to get behind the wheel of one of these and bring you guys a full review. Thank you for watching, guys, and leave me a comment if you made this far into the video. Really appreciate it. Hit the like button, leave me a like. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and so we can bring you guys more content from these awesome shows that bring you guys some of the latest cars here in the industry. Thank you for watching. Have a great afternoon, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.